Hi, this is Gary at WaterField Designs in San Francisco. We've been making bags here in San Francisco since 1998, and you've been seeing me do these videos for a number of years. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to go behind the scenes at WaterField Designs and see how the bags are designed, how they're made, and how they come to sit on this table for me to tell you about them. So let's go behind the scenes at WaterField Designs and take a look at what's really going on and how we do this. I came from the bike industry. I was a general manager of a mountain bike company. I loved doing smart work and hard work, and I knew I wanted to have my own company. Before I got in the bike industry, I was a bicycle messenger, delivering packages around Cambridge and Boston. So I had a very good experience with durable messenger bags. We had an idea about a messenger bag for business people, and that was our very first bag. Things have changed a lot in San Francisco the last 20 years since we started in 1998, but our core values have remained pretty much the same: to go out and build the best bags that we can, not pay attention to the price. That will take care of itself. What I wanted to instill in this company was a very strong sense of customer support. We really instilled in our people here to take care of the customer first, have them empowered that we're going to help them. So I want to make sure the customers are satisfied in the end.
Since day one, Gary's always made customer service the most important part of the company here. You see Gary actually interacting with customers day to day, so you see him walking the walk and talking the talk, and then you just start to emulate that as it just builds the culture of the company. I think customers appreciate the fact that they get real answers that aren't scaled. We take the time to write notes with every order that we ship out. We give them thoughtful answers when they write in. Having the design team and sewing shop all in one spot, we can really turn things around really quick. I can go down to Amiel with any questions customers may have, why this zipper's here, why we can't add another pocket. And if it's something we can do, we take it on. If it's not, then I can give thoughtful feedback to the customer straight from the designer.
We have a pretty amazing customer base, a sophisticated customer base that appreciates the quality and the style and the organization of our bags. So we have a pretty good idea where we're going, but the customers help fine-tune our ideas and really zero it in, and the results have always been remarkable. Part of my experience in working in the mountain bike companies, our bikes are made overseas, and dealing with all the hassles and issues of having things made far away where we didn't have much control. The best thing about being under one roof here in San Francisco is that customer service has an issue, they can go right down to design, then they both work with production, and they can get things done very quickly.
Having all the machines here and working side by side the people who manufacture your designs is kind of unheard of. We get ideas from customers, we get ideas from the sewers. In most design companies, you would send off your sketch to a factory and then you hope for a prototype. Here, for example, if Apple is going to come out with a new size laptop, we can make a prototype as the laptop is being launched. And then the next week, we can start selling it. It allows us to be nimble. We make everything in small batches. You can really check the details of everything when it's in a small batch. And it just makes for a more robust product, but also a product that looks and feels good for a long, long time.
We've always strived to make the best bags possible, regardless of the cost. I'm lucky to be working for a team who takes pride in their work, and we're fortunate that we can continue making products here. We're different here. We do what we think is right for our employees and for our customers. When one of our products goes out the door, we know we've put our best effort into it. I put my heart and soul in this company, and I love what it stands for, and I hope you do too. So there you have it. One company under one roof making excellent bags. I'm Gary WaterField. Thanks for watching.